In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark from a photo. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. The method I am going to show you to remove watermark from a photo is very simple, and most importantly, you do not have to install any application to do it. So all you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type object remover. Click on search. Now you need to click on this second link, the in paint. Scroll down and click on this upload image option. Select the photo of which you want to remove the background. Click on done. Now all you have to do is to carefully select the watermark. Once you have done that, click on this erase option. Now wait for a few moments. And that's it. As you can see that the watermark has been perfectly removed from the photo. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.